I remember training time.
You remember
Training time. When the commander would say, come on! 1, 2, attention! Attention! Well, you remember the right turn, but you soldiers, I don't know you're doing that. But soldiers, you don't know things.
You are not teaching about
that thing. Right turn! People say, people looking, people had the time. Yeah, my God. But me, I'm fast. I'm fast. Yeah. But I'm training hard though. Training time. I'm training hard. I'm fit. But I'm going to say that I'm help you. I'm beating people rough. But colonial violence is difficult and dangerous. Colonial violence. I should let you pass.
Yeah, I'm going to get a few items from the supermarket.
Go and talk to officer, senior officer. You speaking English to him.
So you want to buy something?
Oh yes.
To do what?
Aha. Because supermarkets are costly.
Now where you going?
Well, I don't blame you, Sam, wasting my time because markets are most of them I'm the assembly woman for the area.
You are assembly woman.
For the area, yes. Let me assembly woman.
Ah, my God.
Oh, what made Peter God?
You are wasting my time, please.
Assembly woman, ordinary assembly woman. You want to walk over soldier and police here? No. Excuse me. What is your sanitizer?
Oh, medic kindly be I Mr. Some may call her
and what is your nose mask?
Oh, this is just a stone throat. I thought, sir.
Furthermore,
so necessary.
Furthermore, where is your gloves?
Oh, when you know me will be, I have them.
So are you above by the law? Are you above by the law? You grow past the law?
I'm not saying I'm above the law. Officer. But you should have respect for people of class. So, me too idea what hey ya na ma basi say am di me gina ha gina bia we mu kasa ade.
O man panyin na mu kura emredi.
Ya quarantine.
Ya quarantine no. Enti say what assembly man, assembly woman. E was say wo kura na wo say wo quarantine wo ho yie. Say wo da wo di wo man kuro yi so e was say wo quarantine ho yie no obi e ho aye dey. Esua wa fa
leadership by example.
Leadership by example.
Accurate.
Why calculate yourself
and
from
assess
your
yourself?
Calculate yourself. What's wrong with you?
It is a mama nkwana.
Debbie, wa han yesi ebu mra. Mom panyinfo say na mo I was say mo di mra no so no.
You don't have your nose mask, no gloves, no sanitizer. You roaming about talking nonsense. Sure.
Oh, baby, I'm calling. It's just a stone throw. No more can you be because be a miss and me. Make sure I do why I have. Ade.
Na me hadn't na won kasa wo ho. Hey! We rest like social distance. 20. Huh? Ya me obi. I will to be bale me, ade.
I had to say mama nkwana.
Wo as assembly woman, wo ko yi so. I will cry no was nko obi amfa ne groups and send nsa wo pano ma ne kofie kotobie ha what this say what the nsa proper why you are no proper wo stand the best na ko meboa ha o man panyin na mu krampo no aka no amra na di wa na adi
ha quarantine na wo
ya quarantine the vice president cry ya quarantine na wo assembly woman
cycle.
Why am I wasting my time?
Yes, a cycle.
You don't have no respect for authority, Bia.
Yeah, you need respect of authority, sir. Huh? Yeah, you need respect of authority.
Hey, she's shaking the bottles.
Oh, we have tried the bottles.
Ah, okay. I seen these bottles passing here. Wait, I put her.
Ah, woman penina mu cry a quarantine. And now him for a saying a quarantine warm. What wouldn't I'm hot no some assembly woman? Assembly woman, I don't understand assembly woman. I said, yeah, wouldn't I'm not a woman. I had it.
Wouldn't the Amagana,
yeah,
meaning way. Me we.
Sa.
Yani Yeboah.
Yani Yeboah. Yani Yese.
Me na mo fa ni we.
Yani na ani ene. Na say yade ni to na wonko awasambre wu ma wo so na yade ni ka. Enka me ya ha me. Enka ha me da krokra da say de watenchen ba bi na yade na kwa akosa. Akufu adu na emu kra akwalantan.
Na asambre.
Na asambre wu ma. Ah. Wo kwai. Ahi na woko. Who's your hand? What is your cat? Will be answered them.
Hey, Abai. Me share madam for Obama.
Or the head of
Obeslam.
just a moon to moon shama konoso.
Yes,
Cat also be answered them. Now what you pay moon to moon shama konoso. Baby and Ramo Mohoke come. Huh?
Oyaa Abai, no be ma.
Me dey say me nim ni pa kro kofi.
Hey, Abai.
Go and sleep.
Ah.
Muti fie na dwa kakra ma die ma wo fufu a wa watantifo ne fufu ma wo fufu a wa musika nyina ne mo dwa makodi nyina asa ha
dia mo ye ne ono no be kire obi adwuma
adwuma we die me se soja ne die media soja
Suro Oyaa TVgh, like, subscribe, share and comment.